Hey team, the purpose of this video is to show you how to download a file and then turn around and then upload that very same file into Google Classroom. For today's teaching session, I'm using Adobe Spark as the resource, and I have this file that I would like to download. And whatever resource that you're using probably has a download button somewhere. If you're using like a word cloud or some other JPEG or movie editing resource, there's probably a download button somewhere. So that's step number one for me. I mean, obviously making the project is step number one, but for this video, downloading the project is step number one. So the project downloaded successfully. You can see right down here how that project is waiting for me. Now, the question I'm answering in this video is, how do you turn around and get your project uploaded here to Google Classroom? So you'll notice that I'm clicking on one tab and then the other tab. So I'm going to go from whatever resource that allowed me to make that project over here to Google Classroom. And then you need to make sure that that particular assignment is wide open and ready to go. And we're going to come to the add button right here in order to grab that resource. Now, the project down here in the toolbar is also located in the downloads folder. So I clicked on the folder down here on the bottom toolbar. And when you click on downloads, you'll see that the project is located right here. On your computer, you might need to click on this PC followed by downloads. So each computer is going to be a little bit different when it comes to what's going to show up first. You might need to click where it says this PC, and then in the list of resources down here, what you're looking for is downloads. I was able to find it in the quick access toolbar. Your computer might not have the quick access toolbar. You might need to locate this PC followed by downloads, and then you're going to find your project in there. I'm going to come up here to the far right where it looks like there's a minus symbol. And when I click on the minus symbol, it's going to scoot down here and it's going to wait for me in the toolbar. Okay, now I'm here in Google Chrome and I'm inside the Google Classroom tab where my project is open. I want to add something to this assignment. When I click add, what I want to do is I want to grab a file from my computer, not a web link, not something from Google Drive. I want a file from the computer. So where I have the paper clip, I'm going to click one time. Now I'm going to select files from this computer. So this long rectangle right here, I'm going to click. You'll also notice that there's a blue line underneath where it says upload. So if you're on one of these other tools over here, you're not going to see the button. You need to make sure that you're here on upload followed by select files from your computer. You might need to click on this PC. After you click on this PC, you may need to scoot up and down over here until you find where it says downloads. You're going to click 2 times pretty quickly. It's called a double click, and then you're going to find the project. Click on the project, the only item you want to upload right now, one time. You'll see a little tick mark or a check mark show up in the little box up there. And then you're going to click right here where it says open. Give the computer 30 seconds, 1 minute max, in order for that file to upload. You'll see the name of the project here. Now I'm going to come down here where it says upload, and I'm going to click upload one time. It'll take hopefully less than 30 seconds for that file to upload. And then you'll see a tiny thumbnail, and you'll also see the name of the project right here. It's 100% up to your teacher. If your teacher wants you to click right here where it says turn in or not, it's kind of irrelevant. Your teacher has access to this resource, and so do you. If you were to head over into My Drive and then double click on Classroom, find the Classroom folder, double click on the Classroom folder, double click on the name of the classroom that you are in, and then you will find a copy of that item located right here for you. Your teacher has a copy of that project all the time because you just turned it in, and then you also have your own copy of that same project. If you ever wanted to add that into a Google Doc or some resource of some kind, you can use this somewhere else again. So team, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.